sensational. Yeah. What didn't I do for you, girl? And I know, and I know, and I know. I know.
So we back. It's Monday, the 28th. Another reset situation. Emotional upgrade, emotional clarity, emotional, I don't know what I'm going to call this series. But something else that also makes me feel good is cooking for my family. So I'm going to make a chicken and broccoli and rice casserole. And we're going to cook it together. So let's get it popping. Not chicken breast. I'm lying to y'all already. Chicken thighs. Searing in butter right now. I'm about to flip these over. But we got some cream of chicken soup, chicken stock, heavy whipping cream. We got some sharp cheddar, already shredded. I'm gonna dice up some more, not dice up, but cut up some more. That's my oven preheated. Broccoli and some rice. Being mindful, thankful, grateful, joyful for all the things that I would normally take for granted. I'm trying to be very intentional and paying attention to those things that not everyone can do, not everyone has the capability to do, as far as, you know, let's say maybe you don't have the health to cook for your family. Maybe you don't have the items that need to be cooked for your family. So all these things we take for granted, I'm trying to focus my energy on things that I'm blessed to have. I'm not going to focus my energy on where I'm not at in my life. So, with that said, let's keep cooking.
Have we ever had this before? Or this is just one of your new recipes. It looks juicy.
It's really special to me. It's definitely a big part of who I am, and I love the way it makes me feel. But there was a time not long ago when I felt I had to accept the idea. See, I have symptomatic obstructive HCM. So I talked to my cardiologist, and he told me about Camzyos. He said Camzyos works by targeting what's causing my
Good.
HCM. So he prescribed it.
Sensational. Yeah. What didn't I do for you, girl? And I know, and I know.